Hello and welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video we shall be continuing with the beginner's course. This video will be about the draft command. The draft command will add a draft angle to the selected faces of the solid. First, as the draft command is adding a feature, we need a simple starter model. Once we have the starter model, we can pick the draft icon from the menu bar. Picking the icon will open the dialog box. Here we can add what angle we require. We can then pick what faces need to be drafted. Once the faces are picked, we need to pick the neutral face. The neutral face is where the draft angle will start from. The direction can be reversed as shown. Once we are satisfied with the results in the preview, we can select OK and the draft angle is added. Thank you for watching this far. If you are enjoying this series, then please like and subscribe.